everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Casey and I'm an Amazon seller. I've been doing it for almost 3 years now, and I have created this channel to help people learn about how to sell on Amazon because it has changed my life and I know it can change yours as well. So I hope everybody is having a great day today. Today I'm going to talk about the extension, the Chrome extension BuyBot Pro that you can use to find products that are selling real good to sell on Amazon. So before we get into that though, I do want to let everybody know that I have a new website. When I decided to come back, I decided to recreate my website and everything. So in all the links in all the videos, I have replaced the website. So if y'all have any questions about any products I offer, to help y'all learn about how to sell on Amazon, you can click that link and all the products are listed there. Some of the products that I have is, of course, the 60-minute, hour-long mentorship call, which you can ask me anything you want to know about Amazon, and this is like a one-time call. And then I have the ungated guides, of course, which will help you get ungated in categories and help you with brands with Amazon. And then I also have the mentorship program. Now in the last video I said I thought about taking it away. I was going to take it away, but I actually decided to bring it back. And what I'm going to do, the mentorship program is basically I send you the link to a WhatsApp app. If I know many of y'all out there have used that. And in that WhatsApp app, the link for the group, you can ask me any question anytime that you might have. Also, the mentorship is going to include a 30-minute Zoom call each week to discuss your progress and to see how you're tracking along with Amazon. Because what I did notice when the mentorship I had before, I did one call and I kind of didn't get to keep in touch with what y'all were doing. So I decided to do a 30-minute call each week to discuss your progress. So you can check that out on the website. Also, I have a leads group, which is going to be completely different than what I did with the Facebook group. It is not a Facebook group. It is a WhatsApp app again that I will send you the link to if you decide to join that. And basically I will be the only one pretty much posting in there, and what I'm going to do is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I will send out 10 leads that you can purchase and sell on Amazon. And there are only going to be 50 spots in that, so it will be a limited group. So, with leads, you don't want a whole bunch of people in there because you want it limited. So I've decided to make it limited, and I took it off Facebook and put it in that app. And I also decided on schedule I'm going to post this many leads for that. So if you're interested in that, check it out. But like I said, everything will be in the website, and you can go to that through the description in the video. All the videos have that link to it. Also, if you have any questions, I have my new email in the description in the videos too. Like I said before, the emails were just getting mixed up and I couldn't keep up with them. So I created a separate email just for YouTube so that y'all can ask me any questions, and I make sure that I see it and it doesn't get mixed in with all my Amazon emails. So check that out if interested. And at the end of this video, if you are interested in BuyBot Pro, I do have a link in all my videos also that you can click on and you can try out BuyBot Pro. They do have a free trial version, so you can try it and just see if it is right for you or it's not right for you. There's Seller Amp and there's BuyBot Pro. I'm pretty sure there's others out there, but these are the two that people hear about the most. I have tried to use Seller Amp. I'm just not a big fan of it. I like BuyBot Pro better, but it's everybody's preference. So I know Seller Amp is like the main one everybody hears about, so that's why I want to kind of do a little video on BuyBot Pro to show how it helps me with Amazon. But it has helped me out tremendously with my sourcing. Honestly, at this point, I don't know if I can live without it. And I know Seller Amp's similar, so if you want to try that out too, I know they got a free trial too, but for me, I just like BuyBot Pro. So let's go ahead. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to kind of explain what BuyBot Pro looks like and how it helps me. Alright, so this is a Google Chrome extension, so of course you'll have to get Google Chrome, download the extension. Pretty easy. If I go to the website, I'll show y'all what that looks like. So here's the website for it. Like I said, the link's in the description in this video. And basically it shows you what it's going to look like. And, you know, you got the ROI profit calculator, which is your main deal, because if you're not making profit, then there's no point in selling. There's the BSR checker, the 1, 3, 5%, which, like I've told y'all in the past, a lot of people do go off the percentages. Me, personally, I like going off the number. I know if you get 50,000 or less, that item is going to sell. The competition analyzer, so basically you can see who else is selling it, what they're selling for, and how much they have in stock. IP radar checks if you know it's high risk for IP complaints. It also has eligibility checker, so like I said, getting ungated, if you log in through it, it will show you if you are ungated or not, and you can sell it or not without even having to list it and find out through that way. It just shows you right on BuyBot Pro. It shows you how many units you think you need to buy. So basically, you know, it's showing how many units have sold in the past couple months. Breaks down the Amazon fees. It does the profit margin calculator, sales estimator, what we just went over, competition, sales history chart. So it's got Keepa into it, which is like, you definitely need Keepa if you're going to sell on Amazon, especially if you're going to do FBA, because you do not want the price to tank before you send it into Amazon. And it does FBA and FBM calculations for profit. You just have to toggle between the two, which I will show y'all how to do that. The BuyBot analyst is great. Like I said, it shows you everything. You can see over here. Okay, so now if I am on Amazon's actual website, or you can go to your seller website and click on whatever inventory you have and go through that. But let's just say I want to hit departments, and let's go to food and grocery. It's always a great one. Like I tell y'all, food and grocery is good to sell. Snacks. So let me do the different. I'm going to do stocking stuffers for adults. So then your Chrome extension pops up down here. So basically on the home page, it's going to show you this, like, you know, the big page that shows all the products. It's going to show you this. So it gives you the ASIN, and then it gives you the sales rank, and then it shows you how many sellers on it. If it's FBA, all those are FBA. If you go down, you can see if there's any FBM. So there's 14 FBM, there's 3 FBA, and it's sold by Amazon. If it shows it in orange, that means it's sold by Amazon. So a lot of the times I don't like to get on it if Amazon is selling it at the moment, because of course Amazon gets the buy box most of the time. Not always, but most of the time. So a lot of those ones that say sold by Amazon, I just keep going through. And see, like this one, you can see there's no BSR provided. So a lot of times I skip through that one too. But let's go ahead and let's just take this for instance. Burt's Bees. Okay, so right here I have the BuyBot Pro. They call it Island. Let's just say I can get this for $2, which I know I probably can't, but I'm just giving this for example. So I'll hit in the buy price, which is $2. The sell price automatically goes in there, so you don't have to worry about that. That's what it's selling for. It will automatically go in there. Okay, so if I am going to sell it FBA, I'm just going to hit analyze. I don't have to hit anything else. But if I want to sell it FBM, I'm going to have to hit this merchant field button. And then I have to put in the shipping price, what I think shipping's going to be. So again, what I say, if it's under a pound, anywhere from $5 to $6. If it's over a pound, anywhere from $10 to $13. So you just find that happy medium, which of course this is very light. This is going to be underneath a pound. So I'm just going to say $5 on this. And it breaks it down to FBM. So it gives me the profit, how much profit I'm going to make. It gives me the ROI. And it gives me the BSR. If you like going by percentages, it gives you that also. It shows me the estimated sales. So this one wasn't selling much at all, like through January through September. So we'll see what happened with that when we look at the Keepa chart. But I can see that it's selling in October. It sold over 1,000. In November, it's already at 170. If I could just guess by looking at this chart, I'm wanting to say maybe Amazon wasn't on the listing and people were selling it for really expensive. I don't know. We'll have to see. But then basically it gives you this confidence score. So they do red if it thinks it's not a good product to do. They'll do yellow if it's okay product, and then green if it's a great product, go ahead and sell. So basically I have to log in to my Amazon account, which I'm not right now, but that will be right here, and then it will show my eligibility, or if it's a hazmat. And then here's the IP radar, so it shows no non-PL issues. Again, it will show can you sell and all that once you log in, which I can log in a minute and show y'all. So again, you come down here, it shows you the ASIN. It breaks down everything about the product, the profit margin, the max sold price, the max buy price, the break-even price, the cost that it's going to cost you from Amazon. It shows your BSR again. Basically, a lot of the stuff up there, it's going to show down here again. It's going to show the buy box. Amazon's got it at $11.99. And then if I keep on going down, it shows me that again. It shows me that again. And then right here is where it's going to show me who's in stock. Okay, so I can see Amazon right here has $999 in stock at $11.99. And the delivery date is showing November 7th. Then I go down, I can see this merchant field seller, VS Beauty and Spa, has it at $15.98, and their delivery date's November 10th. 2441. But that $9.99 at Amazon, I wouldn't even touch it right now because they have so much in stock. So I would just kind of watch it and see if Amazon jumps off the listing. And then here's the Keepa chart. Of course, let me toggle these in. So I can see Amazon has been on the listing since August 13th. You can switch it to 180 days. They have been on the listing constantly. So more than likely, they are not going to get off the listing. And reading a Keepa chart, you can see everything on the Keepa chart. With that, I can also list this item right here by doing add a product if I'm logged in. So that makes it easy also. I can search this product on different websites, but this is also going to give me the ASIN average statistics. So FBA average price, Amazon's average price, the new average price, buy box, what has the average price been on buy box, so it shows you all of that, and the BSR. Real quick, before I get into the second part of BuyBot Pro, what I want to show you, Let me know. This week I plan on releasing a video a little bit later into the week. Let me know in the comments, do you want me to do a sourcing video, or do you want me to do a video on FBM packaging and how you go through the whole get up on Amazon and walk you through it completely. So let me know in the comments which one you would rather see for the end of this week. Okay, so the second part I want to show y'all is a little bit of store spying. So it's another way that you can find products to sell on Amazon. You know, people don't talk about it all the time, but here's how you do it. So if I go to the listing, I'm gonna go to see all new from, it says 6, and then I'm just gonna pick a store. Let's say this one's got 89, this one's 15 life, 2 life, 72, and let's just go to this one right here, and then I can go click on storefront. Okay, this is gonna pull up this store's storefront. With BuyBot Pro, I can see all this information, so it makes it very easy because now I can just go through here and I can see their listings, see how much the rank is, see how many FBA sellers, how many merchant field sellers. If I hit right here, it pops up the Keepa chart down there, so I can see on this one certain item, Amazon was on it a little bit in July and now they're not on it. If I go over here, I can see the buy box price, the seller price, the rank. I can click on it. From here, I can enter in what my buy price is for it. Let's just say $10. Again, I can do all this from this screen right here, and it's going to show me everything that it shows me on the main page. And also you can go down here and you can list it from this page too, making it super simple. But this makes just an easy way to source because you got all the information right here that you need. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to let me know what video y'all would like to see towards the end of the week, and I will get that uploaded. Also, don't forget, if you're needing help on selling on Amazon and you're just stuck and you really need some help, or you're new and you really need a mentor, check out the website. All that is in the description in this video. Also, if you enjoy BuyBot Pro, check out that. It's in the description in this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it today. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, make sure to subscribe to me because I upload videos weekly about how to sell on Amazon. So guys, until next time, bye.